Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hairstyle, how I slicked my hair, got the baby hairs, the ponytail, and how I made this ponytail look natural, because this isn't my hair. This isn't my hair, but I'm going to show you guys how I do mine. This is how I do my ponytails. Y'all always ask me about how I do my ponytail, so I decided to, like, you know what, I'm gonna do a ponytail like this. This time I'm gonna make sure I sit down and I film it and I show you guys how I do it. So I decided to show you guys how I'm doing it. So yeah, at first I wasn't even gonna show you guys how I blend it, but I was like, duh, like, why wouldn't you show how you blend your, like, what? But I did. Yeah, so this is how it came out. If you like how this came out, then just keep watching.
Say yeah, get your cake, yeah. I can change your life. I'ma throw this money like a free. I'ma throw this money like a free throw.
So I have the Eco Styler Professional Gel, I have the Argan Oil one, and then the Black Castro and Flaxseed Oil one, which is this one right here. And then this one is like the Argan Oil one. Honestly, you don't really need both of them. I don't know, I go back and forth with them really. I just like how this one smells. Yeah, these are the only two I've ever tried of these. But these are the gels that I use. Yeah, this is the one I try to use though. As you can see, they're both halfway gone, like the same amount, so I use them back and forth. But yeah, that's that. So use any one that you have, or any gel that you feel works best for your hair, use that one. And also this brush right here, y'all, this like such a smoothing brush. Like, my hair is kind of dirty, which I washed my hair like a week ago, but I don't know, I think I used like a dirty brush and it got dirty, but it's not that bad, but it is kind of dirty. But this brush right here is so freaking good. Like, it's so smooth. What, it's not smooth, it makes my hair smooth, but this is like so like rough, like hard. It just makes my hair really slick, y'all. And honestly, every time I even put gel on my hair and I try to slick my hair never stay like sleek down. I always end up like waving back up. So yeah, this really does help with that. And also using a scarf, which I'm going to be using at the end once I put on the ponytail. While I'm talking, you know, might as well get into this little part. So this is the ponytail that I'm going to be using. Well, it's not a ponytail, it's a bundle of hair. It's a 26-inch, I believe, because I took down one of my wigs because I have 4 bundles of curly hair in it, and that was way too much, y'all. Way too much. 4 curly bundles and a frontal. Like, that was way too much. So I took down a wig, and now I'm going to just use the longest bundle that I have, which is a 26-inch. I think this was Brazilian deep wave hair or something like that, but it was curly, but I pretty much just combed it out just because my hair is combed out and it's going to be easier to blend. It's 1 full bundle. Yes, 1 full bundle of hair. You don't have to use much of hair if you don't want to. You can use less hair, more hair, however you're going to do it, but this is how I do my ponytails personally. Basically, just part your hair any way you want to part your hair. I feel like I don't want my part to be this long, actually. I recommend get a rat tail comb and get the metal ones, because this, oh my gosh, this works so much better than trying to use a wide tooth comb. All right, so when you feel like you got it slick as you can get it, don't worry about the fronts or anything like this, or even the part, because we're gonna go over that once we get the toothbrush. Now you can do this two ways. You can either pin this up, right, and then wrap this around that. I don't do it like that. I like to put it like in between my bun, which I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, so I wanted to hop in this part of the video. You need a little piece of hair like this, so you can either cut it off of the bundle that you're using, or if you have some extra hair, but you're gonna need this. I'm gonna show you guys what to do with it towards the end. I just forgot to mention it right here, but yeah, get a little piece of hair about this long, even if a little bit longer, just enough to wrap around a ponytail. Now back to the video. To take this part of it right in the middle of my hair like this, and then grab it like that. Hold up, grab it just like this, grab the other side and just wrap it. It's gonna blend in a little bit, so bear with me. But do y'all see? I put it right in the middle. And then I like to use these little bitty scrunchies like this. Do not use rubber band. Please don't use rubber band like that. I can't stand rubber bands. I recommend getting these. Usually they come in like little bundles like this. These are the bigger ones, but oh, here they are. I have these little ones right here. This is what I'm gonna be using, these small ones right here to wrap it, because when you use smaller ones and tighter scrunchies, you don't have to worry about keep wrapping it. You only have to wrap it like twice or 3 times max. So I got this wrong. This is like the irritating part. Don't have to do baby hair, but I like baby hair, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do mine. I either use a toothbrush or I'll just use a comb. Hold up, I like this much right here, y'all. Trust me, this make a difference. Love using a silk scarf, y'all. Trust me, this is key. I watched Jackie Aina video, so it's been on my hair for about like 25 minutes. About 25 minutes. Boom. Boom, doom, 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 doom. Oh my gosh, my ears. Always put it in a bun. You could do a side braid, or you could just leave it puffy, because I'm gonna leave it puffy. So I missed out one little detail. Like, what are you doing, Ashley? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hold on, hold on. What are you doing? I missed out one detail, okay? This is the detail. So take some of the hair, right? From like, if you have an extra strip of hair, then take this, okay? This is how I blend my hair. If I don't feel like it's blended right, I'll just blend it like this. But take a piece of the hair that you have, of this. I had an extra piece from the wig part, or you could just cut off like a little piece like this, or maybe a little bit bigger if you wanted to, but just enough to wrap around a ponytail. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. But yeah, take a little piece like this. Don't do this with a brush, y'all, but it's the only thing right here. And so I'm gonna do it. Brush it out, right? Brush it out, and then take, sorry, I feel like this is crooked, y'all. Oh my gosh. I really hope this isn't crooked. Take this piece, flip it back. I'm gonna take the end of it. A little piece and wrap it around. Ponytail even looks better. So yeah, that's how you do it. Boom, that's how I do my ponytail, and you can't see the track or anything. Take any curly hair that you wanna take and use, If you want to do curly hair, you can do any kind of hair. That's how I blend it. I do want to just show you guys how I blend my hair like that. I don't want to just leave you hanging like that, okay? I want to leave you guys hanging, you know, because that wouldn't have been right. You would have been walking around your hair, but like, okay, Ashley, you were blended, but is it like, what's my? It's my little secret on how I'm making my hair look so natural. Like, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on all of my social medias. Add me on Snapchat at ASTLEYJ. Follow my Instagram and my Twitter at Blaken. I hope I said everything I needed to say. Got everything I needed to say. You know, until next time, I'll see you. I'm way too happy to calm down. All right, I'll see you guys. Bye. Subscribe and like, okay? And leave a comment too.